Hello guys and welcome to a hairstyle tutorial. This is Chris and Philly. In case you're new here, you are so much welcome. This guys is a very simple hairstyle, very effortless, very, you're going to take 2 minutes. Oh, I'm lying, 5 minutes and you are done. So guys, I'm starting off by undoing my twist that I had done the day before because we don't need these, okay? If you have the same type of hair like mine, you need some water so that you can get to manage your hair well without hard times, without breakage and all that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm applying some water, massaging it in, making sure at least every strand gets some moisture, okay? So, and also to make sure that it's easier to manage this hair. After moisturizing my hair, I'm going in with some coconut oil. I have noticed that when I apply some coconut oil on my hair, the texture turns to be a bit softer, something like that. So I love applying some coconut oil, and also coconut oil is healthy. Is it? Comment down below what you think about coconut oil in the comment section. Brush, 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 brush. You know what I mean, guys? When you brush your hair, it gives that slickness. Is it slickness? Oh, I'm parting this part because I want to do some twists. You guys are starting to get the idea that I have. We are brushing the hair again to get the slickness, the sweetness, the juiciness. So now I'm going to use this strand to push my hair up to make a bun. Make sure guys, if you are using a strand like me, you are careful because it cuts your hair. Wait. We are not done yet, guys. We are not done. Brush off those back hairs because they tend to stand. If your hair is this long, we are good to go. But if your hair is shorter, we are going to use that caban thingy. I know you know them, guys. Black in color, yeah.
Nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer.
You want to have something better than mine, so we are going to be using these accessories to accessorize our twist outs.
Like moving boulders just to get out of the home, it sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me.
And now it's time to tie this down so that we can beat this face up.
To focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
Let's start by cleaning our face as usual, applying some primer so that it can dry off. Again, our brows very fast.
Plug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
And just like that, guys, we are good to go. We look put together, we look cute. Just comment down below what or where you could wear this look to. I would like to know. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.